Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Anjali. We'll move further till what we had done. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
we'll continue with our work. We had talked about Christianity being the state religion. Then one more capital he had made. All these things we talked. What was happening in the west, what is happening in the east. Let me go for yes, Anushree, what happened? You were not there in the previous class?
Afternoon, ma'am.
Okay. Try and be regular, my child. See, this is the Colosseum. Fine. People fought over here. 60,000 people who live inside this palace-like structures. Okay, we were talking about small kingdoms fighting, becoming independent, isn't it?
Yes,
Medieval.
ma'am.
Okay. But in the east, the entire area remained united only. Now we had Justinian era. This area is known as Justinian era. Very prosperous, very prosperous. But this man, Justinian king, he had an ambition, imperial ambition. He wanted to win more areas, more states, add on more kingdom. So what did Justinian do? He recaptured Africa from the Vandals. The Vandals had broken down from the Roman Empire and made another country state of their own called as Africa. What is the part they had made? Africa. From Rome only, they got separated and they made Africa. But then we had a very powerful king coming back, Justinian. What was his name?
Justinian.
He took the land back from the Vandals. He took Africa back. Okay. Then he took Italy also tried to take what back? Italy and Lombard. By the 7th century, war started between Rome and Iran. Both the empires started fighting. Which two empires? Rome and?
Iran.
Yes. The Iran was earlier in the 3rd century being ruled by Sasanians. They also started attacking the Romans. So there is a fight. Roman Empire, and which is the other empire which is fighting?
Iran.
Yes. When Byzantium as a Roman Empire was now increasingly known, now the Roman Empire had become very big and it was known as the Byzantium Empire. What was the Roman Empire called?
Byzantium.
Yes. So they took back Africa, they took back Italy. Okay. Now that is why it became very big. And the Roman Empire was now known as which empire?
Byzantium.
Yes. Okay. They got their province back. Literally from the final major blow, which came this time from the southeast. But now something problem is going to come. And this problem is going to come from which area? Southeast. Where is the problem going to come from?
Southeast area.
We talked about earlier that small leaders, they became free from Roman Empire. They made their own kingdoms. Okay. But when this king came, he was very powerful. He got back his old kingdoms. What was his name? What was the name of the king who took back his old kingdoms which he had lost? It starts from J.
Justinian.
Yes, Justinian. Very good. He fought and he brought back his kingdom. Name two kingdoms which he brought back. Tell me. Which were earlier taken. One was Africa.
Africa and one.
Africa he won from Vandals. वहां पे
Yes,
कौन
ma'am.
रूल कर रहा था? Vandals. So he took back Africa from Vandals. Beta, one more kingdom he took. Tell me which one? Back. Africa and
Ma'am, Italy. Italy.
very good. Rome, very good. And now the Roman Empire has become very big because Italy has also come. Which other thing we have just added up? Tell me.
Ma'am, the Justinian recaptured Africa and Italy.
Now the empire is very big. What is it called?
Ma'am, Lombard invasion.
Yes, beta. Now it has become a bigger empire. So this is a bigger empire. Everything is going on fine. The problem is going to start now. Which area?
Southeast.
Southeast.
Yes. Now both of you will read this paragraph and tell me what problem has started. Just this paragraph. Read it on your own and let's discuss what is the problem which has started.
Okay, ma'am.
Read, bache. Then I'll explain. Once you finish reading, let me know.
Ma'am, done.
I'm done.
Okay. Now one by one, tell me what did you understand? Speak, beta.
Ma'am, the
Ma'am.
expansion.
Okay, speak. Both of you can speak together, one point each. I'm absolutely okay.
Ma'am, the expansion of. Okay, Anushri, you speak.
Anyone first.
Ma'am, there is an expansion of Islam from its beginning in Arabia that has been called as the greatest political revolution ever to occur in the history of the Asian world.
And ma'am, 10 years after the Prophet Muhammad death, both the Eastern Roman and Sasanians empire had fallen, and the Arabs Arabs in a series of stunning. They were in a situation where two sides where both the sides they compete to win.
Okay, good. Yes, what else?
They bear in mind, they ma'am, bear matlab means
Bear in mind means to keep in mind. याद रखना है.
they keep in mind that they are that in later century they are expanded as far afield as Spain.
Okay, we
They
were
began-
talking about a problem which is going to start now. And what is the problem, main thing that you have understood after reading this paragraph? What problem is the Roman Empire going to face now?
Ma'am,
After
they
reading
were
this,
extending.
हाँ जी
Ma'am,
बेटा,
they
after
were-
reading this paragraph, what did you understand? Main problem क्या आ रहा था बेटा? Bida, it is expansion of Islam. What is the main
First,
thing which
Yes,
Ma'am-
ma'am, expansion of Islam.
Yes. कहाँ पे start हुआ था ये? It started in Arabia. Okay. This is
Yes,
considered to be the biggest revolution, something which spreads very fast. So we are talking about the spread of which religion?
Islam.
Okay. By 642, hardly, barely means hardly, not even 10 years after death of Prophet Muhammad, large areas of Eastern Roman Empire also and Sasanian empires. Sasanian Empire means the Iran wala area. I told you we had two powerful kingdoms only, Rome and
Iran.
Iran. So a large part of the Roman Empire and a large part of the Sasanian Empire, that is the Iran Empire, had fallen to the Arabs. Had fallen to the Arabs मतलब वो हार गए थे. किसने हरा दिया था उनको वॉर में? Arabs. Is it okay? Large
Yes,
part
ma'am.
of Roman area also they took. They took a large part of Iran also. Who had attacked them?
Arabs.
Yes. And these conquests, these attacks continued for about 100 years, 1 century. And the Arabs now conquered areas up to Spain, Sindh, Central Asia. Okay, these Arab tribes occupied a lot of area. And Islamic State emerged now because they were Muslims, they were Islam followers of Islam religion. So what is emerging? What is spreading now? Islamic religion.
Islamic
First,
religion.
yes, beta. First it started from Arabia, and then it went on to Syrian desert, Iraq, everywhere this religion has spread now. Okay, most of the
Yes,
tribes.
ma'am.
So basically, earlier we had only two powerful kingdoms, Rome and
Iran.
Iran. Then the Arabs attacked them. Who attacked them?
Arabs.
Arabs. There is a word which is written, we see them falling off, means they were defeated. And who defeated? The Romans and the Iranians?
Arabs.
Arabs. So when the Arabs are ruling, they dominated their culture. And Arabs were following which religion?
Islamic.
Islamic religion. So what is spreading is Islam, not only in Rome and Iran. In another 100 years, another century, they occupied the Syrian desert also. They occupied Iraq also. So pura area, beta. A large part of Rome, large part of Iran, Syria, desert ho gaya, आपका Iraq ho gaya. All these areas are now occupied by which tribes? Arabs. Who is
Arabs.
dominating now? Arabs. And what is the
Arabs.
religion that they followed?
Islamic.
Yes. When we read about Roman Empire, हमने ये पढ़ा था that their state religion was Christianity. याद है?
Yes, ma'am.
Basically Christianity. But now something new. When I told you to read this paragraph, I told you something new is going to happen. Some major change is going to take place over here. What is the major change? Earlier we had two very powerful empires, Rome and
Iran.
Iran. But अब इन दोनों को भी हराने के लिए we have another tribal people. Who are these?
Arabs.
Arabs. Okay, they came from Arabia. Where did they come from?
Arabia.
So these Arabs, they came from Arabia. They defeated Roman Empire का भी बहुत सारा part ले लिया. Sasanian Empire, that is Iranians also. And they also extended their empire up to desert. Iraq, pura area. So when they spread their power, they spread their religion also. So which religion is spreading?
Islam.
Islam. Earlier we talked about the state religion being Christianity. Now there is a big change. Christianity is slowly fading away in this period. And which religion is emerging?
Islamic.
Yes, Islamic religion. And who is helping in the spread of this religion? Which people?
Arabs.
Arabs. कहाँ से आए थे ये लोग?
Arabia.
Arabia. They came from Arabia. पहले रोम कैप्चर किया, फिर ईरान को कैप्चर किया, फिर एशिया, then Syrian desert, then Iraq. Pura area was captured by them. And obviously, this religion was spreading now. We're talking about which religion?
Islamic.
Yes. Okay, let's see this. So much of areas they have occupied. Afghanistan, Iran, deserts. See, they came from here, Arabia. They came from this area. Which area? Arabia.
Arabia.
एंड वो यहाँ से यहाँ तक पहुंचे. कॉन्स्टेंटिनोपल, रोमन एम्पायर आपको यहाँ पे दिख रहा है. दिस इज ईरान. यहाँ से यहाँ भी चले गए. इफ यू कैन सी दिस ईरान ओवर हियर, पर्शिया, कैन यू सी?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So from here, they have spread their kingdom all over till here and till here. Along with the empire spreading, they are also spreading which religion?
Islamic.
Islamic religion. We have completed with this chapter. Before we start with the fourth chapter, see now the next chapter's name is what?
The Central Islamic lands.
Why do we call it Islamic land? Because of most of the world, which religion is dominating now?
Islamic religion.
That is why this area that we are going to study now, it will be known as the Islamic land only. Okay, let me have a quick revision. You don't have to learn these tables at all. Let me have a quick revision. I'll ask you questions. जैसे हमने कल करा था. I think Anjali was present yesterday when we did this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, let's revise. We'll start from here. General prosperity. This paragraph up to medieval. You will read from general prosperity up to which word?
Medieval.
Medieval. Anushri was not there. She will also understand. Once again, once we discuss, I'll explain. She will also understand. Read till medieval. Let us discuss a few questions and side by side, I'll help you. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, done.
I'm done.
Okay, beta, right? Can you ask questions from each other? 2 questions. I'll give you 2 minutes. Plan 2 questions from this paragraph each. Then we'll start asking.
Ma'am made 2 questions.
Yes.
May I ask?
Beta, both of you prepare 2 questions.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, beta, ask her.
What is
Ask her,
the,
beta.
what is the most important in the Visigoths in Spain? What?
Okay, answer. Please answer your friend's question.
Anjali.
Please repeat your question.
What was important? What was the most important of Visigoths in Spain, which destroyed the Arabs?
Franks
Beta,
in Gaul
answer. Very good.
and
Very good.
Lombards in Italy.
Hmm.
Beta, answer. Let the other one tell whether you're satisfied with the answer that she's giving or not.
Yes, ma'am. In which year? Can you please tell? Between.
It was destroyed by the Arabs between 711 and 720.
Are you satisfied with the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Now you ask.
Who took over all the provinces?
Good question. I just explained. Who took over? सबको जीत लिया, सबको हरा दिया. Who were the people?
Romans, Germanic groups from the north.
Yes.
ma'am.
Try again. This is not correct. Try again.
The empire fragmented politically as Germanic group from the north, Goths, Vandals, Lombards.
Okay. Are you
Lombards.
satisfied with the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Another question from you. Now you ask again. This is the best way to learn history. Asking each other. Yes, beta. Ask.
In
Can
which
you
year?
answer my question? First you ask, then I'll ask.
एक minute. In which year? Mediterranean is affected?
In the 540s.
Right answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Ask each other more questions on the areas which the Arabs conquered and the change in religion. जो सबसे main बात है. Now the next part. I'll show it on the screen. Prepare 2-3 questions each.
मैम इसी पैराग्राफ से मैम करना है.
बेटा मैं दिखा देती हूँ. I'll tell you कौन से पैराग्राफ से prepare करना. Read the last paragraph, expansion of Islam, very quickly. Okay, are you ready with the questions, dear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start asking each other one question at a time. Start, beta.
What had happened after the death of Prophet Muhammad?
The large parts of both the Eastern and Roman Empire, Eastern Roman and Sasanian empires had fallen to the Arabs in a series of stunning
Are you
confrontations.
satisfied with the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you ask, beta.
What should we bear in mind? That conquests were expanded by as far as the Spain.
Good. Satisfied? Ask another one.
The conquest which eventually extended uh, the fact with the subjection of the Arab tribes by emerging Islamic states.
Now
In
you
which,
ask, beta.
how many years it take after the prohibit Muhammad's death?
10 years.
Hmm.
Okay. Name the parts that were captured by Arabs.
Okay, continue, bache. More questions?
Name the parts that were captured by Arabs.
Um, Arabia, then in Siberian desert, then in fringes of Iraq.
Yes. Ma'am, done.
Very good, very good. You have already talked about it. Which religion is spreading?
Ma'am, Islamic religion.
Very, very good. Which people are becoming powerful? Romans, Iranians, Egyptians, who? Arabs, who?
Ma'am, Arabs.
Arabs.
Arabs have become powerful. They came from?
Arabia.
Arabia.
बहुत very good girls. बहुत बढ़िया. Understood now?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
we have finished this chapter. Let me see the figures now. ये देखो बेटा. Colosseum. Okay. We had a war over here. 60,000 people could accommodate in this. How many people in the Colosseum?
60,000.
60,000. Let us discuss all the figures of this chapter. I think Anjali knows about this. Anushri was not present. Yes, this is the statue of which empire? Which king emperor?
Constantine.
Yes. Constantinople, the capital, was named after him only. चलिए आगे चलते हैं. He looked like this. What is this? If we have some more figures in this chapter. Yes. Draconian. We had discussed this meaning of the word draconian means very harsh. What does the word draconian mean?
Very
Harsh.
The slaves were treated in a very harsh manner by their masters. See, this is a picture of that. See, they have left a bull behind. The slave is running, giving them a lot of hard work to do. Draconian, harsh. What does it mean? Harsh. इसमें क्या होता था? छोटा सा crime भी करेंगे तो punishment was death. Draconian culture. Death as a penalty for crime. Most of the crimes, what was the punishment given in this case? Draconian culture? Death punishment.
Death.
Any crime that it was death. Okay. These are what? Containers. Okay. What was filled inside this? Export hoti thi, two things in these containers. Tell me which two things?
Ma'am, wine and
Very good. Wine and olive oil. Excellent.
olive
Wine
oil.
and olive oil. And they was known as amphorae. What were these containers called as?
Amphorae.
So be very careful about the pictures also. You can be asked. These are amphorae. And what are the two things which they were transported? What were the two things?
Olive oil and wine.
Okay. See this. Pompeii. This is a wine merchant's dining room. Can you see such a huge one?
Yes, ma'am.
Decorated with all on the walls, you have these animals and paintings and scenes. This is which room of a big wine merchant?
Pompey.
Yes. So this is a painting that we have got over here. King is there, his wife is there, okay, and the entire family of the king is also there. This is the frame we have got, king and his family. What was this?
Amphitheater.
Yes, basically it was used for by whom? For entertainment of?
Ma'am, the Rome.
Yes, the Roman Empire. Very good. Basically, sorry, the Roman army. Okay. See this. This is a kind of a water bridge made by engineers in Rome. Okay. Who made this? Vast, if you see. And this spread in 3 continents. Itna bada bridge tha beta. Because we said Roman Empire spread in how many continents?
3 continents.
Continents. So they made this water bridge, engineers, in Roman engineers. And this bridge spread in all the 3 continents. It is such a huge, okay, architect if you see.
Yes, ma'am.
These Roman engineers built this. It carried water, if you can see. What is special about this? It carried water in how many continents?
3 continents.
Which engineers made this?
The Roman engineers.
Okay, now see this. What is this? Read about this and tell me, dear.
Ma'am, shops in Forum.
Like you have malls where you have a lot of
Yes, ma'am.
shops. Yes, beta, it is something like this only. Okay. If you see, these are shops. 1 shop, 2 shop, 3 shops. So many shops together. Plaza kind of a thing. Okay. Okay. These are shops. Many shops together. A plaza, small shopping plaza. Okay. These are papyrus. Okay. Scrolls. What was the function? किस काम आते थे? These papyrus rolls? Were not present that day. Like we write
Ma'am.
now in ancient Indian culture, we used to write on banana leaves. So this
Yes,
is a
ma'am.
tree, papyri
Ma'am.
tree. It was used for writing. All the important documents were written on these rolls. What are they called as?
Papyrus.
Papyrus. We have only 2-3 minutes. I'll ask you about the figures now. You people keep telling me. I'll just put this. What is this?
Papyrus.
Okay, very good. Let me have this. What? You should be able to identify. What is this?
Ma'am, shops.
Okay,
I-
good. What is this?
Amphitheater.
Yes, amphitheater. Modern Switzerland. That time this area was known as Vindonissa. This is the modern Switzerland which you have, okay? Entertainment for soldiers. Then we had this. What is this?
Pompeii.
Yes. What was it?
Ma'am, a wine merchant's dining.
Dining room. Very good. What is this? Who all are these people?
Marseille.
Whose family is this? The king, beta. We have the king,
King
his
Abgar.
Yes, ma'am.
wife. Yes, the king, his wife, and this is the family of the king. Okay. What were these called? These
Amph-
containers?
Ma'am, amphorae.
Aphoras. Very good. And what was transported in these containers?
Olive oil and wine.
Good. Olive oil and wine. Charlie, let's go further. What was this called as? I gave you this term.
Draconian.
Draconian. What was the rule? Draconian rule. What did the rule say? If a person does crime, then what to do?
Ma'am, they were given a penalty as death.
Yes, they were given the penalty of death. Okay. Oh, who is he?
Emperor Constantine.
Yes, he was the Emperor Constantine. What was this? Colosseum.
Colosseum.
How many people could accommodate in this Colosseum?
60,000.
Yes, 60,000 people. So we have finished the chapter where who is going to come now? Arabs.